Hi viewers, this is D. Srinivas. Today I have to discuss with you on such a beautiful geometrical topics which is useful for all high school levels. See that? Angle. Do you know what is meant by angle? General definition I am asking to you. Simple. Sir, two rays are forms an angle. Yes, you are right. But angle have a particular definition. The definition angle is nothing but angle is an inclination of two rays. Angle is an inclination of two rays. Angle is an inclination of two rays starting from a common point. Then it is called an angle. I should give one more simple definition about angle. Angle is formed with two rays. Angle is formed by two rays with the common initial point. Is called an angle. For example, one ray, this is one ray, these two rays forms an angle. It is having a common initial point, that is called an angle. That is makes an angle. You see one diagram. Here two OB, OA and OB are two rays are there. These two rays are having a one common initial point is O. Here O is also called as, here we should say vertex. It is also called as vertex. Now OB and OA are two rays. Two sides also we can say that. Two sides. So two sides are there. One vertex also there. So simple we can say that with the common initial point. Then it is called an angle. Now after completion of angle definition, we are remembering something. Types of angles. Yes, types of angles. Very important topic this is. Types of angles. Yes, children, after getting the definition, inclination of two rays is called an angle having one common point or emerging a common point is called an angle. Types of angle. How many types of are there? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Generally 6 main important types of angles are there. What are they? Acute angle triangle, obtuse angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. After that, reflex angle. After that, complete angle. Yes, some other types of angles also there. What are they? Supplementary angles and complementary angles and adjacent angles and linear pair of angles. These are also very important angles which we are going to discuss in our future classes. For example, first I am going to explain these 6 important angles today in my class. What is acute angle? Simple beta. If you know the one definition, these 6 definitions will come in your fingertips. If you understand one definition, it will come one by one in cyclic order. Okay? Right. About an acute angle, simple. I should give the beautiful definitions to today. You have to remember all the definitions one by one. It will come in cyclic order. What are the definition of acute angle? Yes, an angle whose measure between 0 degree to 90 degree. Then the angle is called acute angle. An angle whose measure is between 0 to 90 degree, then it is called acute angle. Example, from 0 to 89 degree, like this you can go. These are all example of acute angle. Don't go like this, L shape. Up to 89 degree only. These are all are called example of acute angles. Now let us go with after right angle. I am going to that. Right angle. What is right angle? An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree, then the angle is called as right angle. Exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree. Then the angle is called right angle. The diagram is, yes, this is called right angle difference. Yes, 90 degree. Then the angle exactly measure is 90 degree. Then the angle is called right angle. Next, right angle is over beta. Next, obtuse angle. What is the mean by obtuse angle? Simple. If you know this definition, obtuse also will come. An angle whose measure between 90 degree to 180 degree, an angle whose measure between 90 to 180 degree, then the angle is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay. Next, straight angle. What is the meaning of straight angle? What is the meaning of right angle? An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree, it is called right angle. Same the way, an angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree, exactly 180 degree, such angle known as straight angle. Like this. Exactly. How much here? 180 degree. Yes, you got the point. Yes, straight angle having two right angles. Very good. Straight angle having how many angles? Two right angles. Yeah. 90 plus 90, 180. Straight angle having two right angles. Very good. Next, straight angle is over. Reflexive angle. Simple. It's called reflex angle. Reflex angle. Diagram we can show to you. This is over than 180 up to here. This is more than 180. More than 180 means this is called 210 like this. 180 more. Like this is called example of reflexive angle. Right? Next, complete angle. By the definition of right, by the definition of straight, we should get complete angle also very easily. An angle whose measure is equals to exactly 360 degree. An angle whose measure is exactly 360 degree. Such angle is called complete angle. Like this. It is 90. Complete. Then it is called complete angle. We have to see in complete angle 4 right angles are there. In straight angle 2 right angles are there. These are all are the angles we have to see in our daily life wall clock. You see in wall clock minute and hour, and you have to observe many angles, many acute angles, straight angles. Now 6 o'clock straight angle, 3 o'clock right angle, 2 o'clock acute angle. Like this we should get many kind of angles in our daily life also. Next you have to, next class I am going to discuss about supplementary angles, complementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair angles. These are all are the such a beautiful topics for you. I hope you have to remember all the topics while waiting for my video. You have to discuss all the things in your mind. So these are all the topics. I hope you these are all the topics are useful for you. You have to keep in your mind and keep learning, and don't forget me. Please subscribe my channel to encourage me. Thank you.